What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a free unboxing videos of Gemini jets. Let's get right into it, shall we? I got a very special models for you guys. Sorry, just give me 1 second here. Alright guys, so the first Gemini jets, guys, is the Boeing 777-300ER Emirates Expo 2020 orange livery. Alright, now let's go ahead and open up this one. Probably going to open up the right way this time. Sorry, I don't have my tripod set up right now, guys. Alrighty, so in this box, guys, we have the really nicely, thank you for your purchase. And in this one, we got the Air New Zealand 777-200 ER, and we have another Expo 2020 Emirates 300 ER. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to quickly unbox them. So just give me 1 second here, so that way I can just like fold this down. And if you're wondering where I got these ones, I got them off of Amazon, and it's called Skyworld. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the phone like this, so that way I can record. Yeah, no, just hold it. So, yeah, and if you look over here, this one, same here, the Emirates logo. Alright, this is what the blue one looks like. Let's go ahead and open that one. So if I know which way to open it. Sorry guys. So here it is, the Gemini Jets Expo 2020. So guys, if you notice the cockpit windows, the nose cone, the L1 boarding door, the Expo 2020, really good designs on here. You got landing lights, navigation, really good plane. I'm not going to go too much detail into this one, guys, because I wanted to do the orange one. So there's number one, the unboxing, okay? Now, some of these are going to be featured in my Toronto Pearson update. Alright guys, now let's move on to the Gemini Jets Air New Zealand. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Now guys, this is probably one of my favorite aircrafts right here, guys. One of my favorites. Right here. The landing gears do tilt, that's really good. Let's put that one right there. And then last but not least, it's the Orange Expo 2020. So let me just quickly unbox this one, guys. Sorry if my unboxing videos are kind of short. Again, it's all made in plastic. Ow. So it's kind of sharp for me to touch. So here's what the Expo orange livery looks like. Alright, now let me go over some of the details that is on here. So first off, we got the doors right here. On. Sorry about that. We also got right here, we got the L1 boarding door. Alright, the landing gears, lights, the nose cone, Expo 2020 to buy another L1 boarding door. Following along the top, we got the beautiful design here, emergency escape. Then we got an emergency door back there. Now I'll just quickly take a look at the top here. We got antenna. No clue what that light is for, the orange one. There's a beacon. Antenna. Wi-Fi box. Antenna. And then over here we got the registration. I forgot to say. The registration for the aircraft is A6-EPO. We got the elevators and stuff. We got the lights here. The GPU system. APU, my bad. Alright, now at the bottom of the aircraft, it's a bit different. So we got the landing lights, looks like. Gemini jet stand hole. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, and for the Air New Zealand, I meant to do a review for this one, guys. Air New Zealand, guys, a whole bunch of different lights. I don't know why. There's no emergency exit on this one. Wi-Fi box. Antenna. L1 boarding door. L1 boarding door again. Navigation lights. And the bottom, just like this, and they do tilt, as you guys can see. Alright guys, if you like and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you so much for this unboxing video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.